What's up, everybody? Welcome back to How to Do It. I'm Jeremy. Thanks for stopping by. Today is March 5th, and it is 52 degrees outside, quarter after 11 a.m. It's probably more of like a false spring, but if it is, it's probably going to run right into spring. So I figured I'd do an update on the video I did at the beginning of winter when I put this plastic on the windows. And just to show you guys, I haven't touched really anything all winter. So let's check it out. This window actually did pretty good. It didn't peel anywhere. So I would say this was worth it. It was a success. Let's check out the other one. I did reinforce things in the middle, but maybe there. Let's see. Is it peeled up? Let's see. Kind of peeled up in the corner, so cold air will be getting in there. Let's check these other corners. That one's pretty good. Oh, that one's come off too. You can see that.
Can you press the red button?
What about this one? Yeah, I'd say that's come off. So this window, unlike that window, didn't fare all the best, especially in the corners, it seems. But where I reinforce things seem to be okay there as well. So yeah, I guess we're one for one, I guess. Let's check the the kitchen window. Show you guys that. I think that's pretty good. Looks good up there. That's folded down, but it still looks good. And that looks sealed. Well, okay. So I guess we're 2 for 1. 2 for 1. Let's check the nursery. Seems to be okay. Seems to be okay. Yeah. Even on the reinforcement right there, I can fit my finger under. What about this corner? Negative. So I can get my finger in there as well. Bottom 2 corners did okay though. Let's check the other bedrooms. So that's 2 for 2. Seems to be like on the top. So I did put some reinforcement there, I guess maybe when I don't recall, but when I installed them, that was off too, even with the reinforcement there. So yeah, I would say that one didn't do very good as either. It's 2 to 3. Let's check our bedroom, which should be okay. Bottom corner's okay. I remember I did do reinforcement here too, but oh yeah, you can see it's kind of peeled away there. Yeah, all the way across, kind of. It's been peeled away. But the rest of it seems okay. But that's 2 for 4. 2 to 4? 2 to 4. All 3 bedrooms, corners and whatnot. So let's check the basement window. This one I think is good. I mean, because I sit down here all the time. I haven't noticed anything in particular, but let's check it out. Don't want to get poked. Need to do something about this. Some moisture. Maybe a little bit of rot. Which isn't good. But that's good. That corner looks okay. That looks sealed all the way. It's still intact too, as well as that one. So, basement window. Okay, so 3 to 4, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 3 to 4. We kind of lost that battle, but we have one more window, which is the laundry room window. But I didn't use store-bought plastic and whatnot. I just used some thicker old plastic that I had from way back in the day. Alright, I grabbed a step stool so it'd be a little bit easier for me to get up to the window to show you guys. So, as you can see, this one has stayed sealed all the way around. And if you did catch my other video, I did say I was probably going to leave that plastic up there just because there's no need for privacy anymore, because we used to have the chain link fence and our neighbor's 2-bedroom windows are right out that window, so you can, you know, see back and forth. But we have the privacy fence up now, and I want to take the shade down and just let the sunlight come in. But anyway, so I'm gonna say I got one up because that one's still intact. So that would be 4 to 4, right? Sure, I'll take it. Another wash, we'll say. So one thing I forgot to mention was because I really think this fall spring is going to run into actual spring, and even if it doesn't and we have another second winter coming, it's only going to be for a week or two. So I'm just going to take all this off. I'm not going to try and repair anything. So let's do that. You ready? I'm ready for spring. I'm ready. Actually peeled off kind of nice. I don't really feel any residue. That's good. On to the next one. This tape ain't coming off as nice. Oh. Make sure you gotta get all the tape off, because it likes to not all peel off at once. All that's still up there. Whoa! That was almost very, very bad. Wow. For some reason it did not stick very good on this one. Well, off there. Alright, just to do a brief recap. Do I think that putting up the window plastic insulation is worth it? Even though in this instance it only adhered to the window half the time. And the answer is yes. And that's just because I felt a noticeable difference throughout the winter, before and after that I put up the plastic. Could that have just been placebo effect? Maybe. I don't know. But I thought it helped. So I'm going to say yes. How much money does it save? I don't know. It's probably minimal, especially after the cost of the insulation. But I would say to each their own uh, on that. For me, yes, I want to save money and I will do things to save money. Um, but I also am more of comfort over savings, I guess, I don't know if that makes sense. Um, and for me, it was more comfortable with the plastic on the windows. So I'm going to say yes, it was worth it. Anyway, that'll do it for me. I really appreciate you guys stopping by. Um, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Maybe share on social media platforms. Really helps the channel grow. I really appreciate it. Hopefully I'll see you around. If you like that video, maybe you'll like one of these videos. I don't know. Check it out. See you around.